So now we'd like to configure the rest of this TextView's properties for the purpose of this application. Now, one of the things that we did in the app was to make this text a lot larger, make it blue, center it, and also put some spacing around it so that it looked nice relative to the other components that were displayed on the screen. Now, when we're designing our GUIs in Android, we try to use what are called density independent pixels so that the operating system can scale your GUI components so they look exactly the same across wide varieties of screen sizes and pixel densities. So, for example, a so-called density independent pixel is equivalent to one dot on a screen that has 100 a given element. And in the case of this text view, what I really want is I want all of this text to be centered. So I'm just going to select center and click OK. And now, let me stretch out my design area a little bit here so you can see the whole width of the design area. Now you can see that the text is being centered within the text view. So at this point, we've gone ahead and completely configured our text view to represent what we want to be displayed on the final app. If I save this and go ahead and run it in my AVD, just so you can see it in action, whoops. We'll wait for it to pull up on the screen here. At the moment, it's installing that onto the device. And in a moment, there we go. Here's our welcome app coming up onto the screen. White background. Welcome to Android app development in bold blue, centered on the user interface with a little bit of margin at the top. In the next video, we'll add in our images.